Hello students, welcome class 2 to your e-learning computer class. I hope you all have followed your previous classes and you have noted down in your notebook or your book also previous chapter question answer completed. Previous day we have completed till activity time, page number 17. Okay. In the lab this page number 18, that part is left. When the school reopen, we will do this part in our lab. This is totally lab activity. Okay. Now today I want to start a new chapter, chapter number 2. All of you please open your book, page number 19, page number 19 and chapter number 2. Parts of a computer, parts of a computer. Previous class, that means in class 1 also we learned that parts of a computer. Here is also we will learn the same things, but here is more instructions, right? A computer is a machine which is made up of the various basic and advanced part. The basic part is monitor, keyboard, mouse and central processing unit, CPU. A computer system is broadly divided into 4 parts. I already told, broadly divided in 4 parts, that is input devices, processing devices, output device and storage device. Input device, through the input device we can send the data to the computer. Keyboard and mouse, these are the input device. Keyboard, mouse, these are the input device. Okay. And after send the data to the computer, it should process, and where it processing? Inside the CPU. So central processing unit, it is a processing device. CPU, it is a processing device. After processing, we can see the result. We can see the result on the monitor. After processing, we can see the result or output on the monitor. So monitor, it is a output device. When you see the result on the monitor only, it is called a hard copy, and sorry, it is called a soft copy. And when we see the result on a paper, when we see the output or result on a paper, that time we use the printer. So print out that printed page, it is called a hard copy. So printer, monitor, these are the output devices. Okay, keyboard, mouse, these are the input devices, and CPU, it is a processing device, right? And the storage device. Next is storage device, where if you want to do anything, first if you give any data or any instructions, any input, then computer store the data inside the storage device. Hard disk is the main storage device. Okay, there is a storage device. These are the hard disks, floppy disks, pen drive, CD, DVD. These all are the example of storage device. Okay, we can store the data when we required. We can take the data from the storage device. Okay, for further used, we can store the data. Okay, now basic parts of the computer is monitor. Monitor, keyboard, mouse and CPU. Monitor, it's look like a television. Monitor is look like a television. Monitor is another name is visual display unit, because it display the information. It display the information. So its another name is VDU. V for visual, D for display, U for unit. It's a monitor. Another name is visual display unit. And now it display the information in the form of, definitely we can see the informations, or it display what? The monitor display the informations in the form of text, maybe a text, maybe a video, maybe a audio, anything. And now it has a power button. If you have the monitor, that means if you have laptop or a desktop, there have a button, monitor button. When we switch on, that means the screen is on. When they switch off, that means monitor is off. Okay, it is available in the different colors. The monitor is available in the different color, different size and different design and different shapes also. Okay, and the different types of monitor is there, CRT monitor, LED monitor, LCD monitor, different types of monitors are available in the market. Now CRT monitor, we are not use the CRT monitor. Now is CPU. Its full form is Central Processing Unit, CPU. It stands for Central Processing Unit. It also called the brain of a computer, because all the processing, it's our body brain is our body, whatever we are doing, it's calculating, our calculation part and the decision parts all we are taking from our brain. Our brain helps to do the work, right? And same as in computer, CPU, all the processing, all the calculations, all the things we are think also in the head of the CPU. So CPU is called a brain of a computer. It helps the computer to think and do all its work. CPU helps to do all the works. Okay, all the parts of a computer, all you know, previous class I discussed also, all the parts are attached to the CPU. All the parts are attached to the CPU through the wire, by the wires. Okay, now is keyboard. Keyboard, it is also a basic part of a computer. A keyboard is a rectangular in shape. It has many keys on it. It has many keys on it. Approx standard keyboard has 104 keys. 104 keys, and the different keys have the different functions. A to Z there are alphabet keys, and 0 to 9 these are the number keys, and some special keys are there. There is the enter key, space bar key, backspace, page up, page down. There the different keys, and all the keys function are the different. All keys function are not the same. Different keys are the different functions. Using the alphabet keys we can type the letter. Using the number keys we can type the numbers, and in the keyboard it is called the QWERTY keyboard. Okay. Next is mouse. Mouse is also a basic part of a computer. Now a mouse comes in various size, shapes and design. Also mouse has two buttons on it. A mouse has two buttons on it. One is a left mouse button, another one is a right mouse button. In the middle there have a scroll wheel. In the middle there have a scroll wheel. There is a left mouse button, right, and the middle there have a scroll wheel. And it is used, why use the mouse? Mouse is used to point, move and select any item on the computer screen. We use the mouse to select any item on the screen, and it also help us to draw pictures and play games. It also mouse help us to draw pictures and play games also. We can select anything through the computer mouse. If you want to select anything using the mouse, we can select the part. Now there is, let's check, there is a fill in the blanks, 4 fill in the blanks in page number 21. We will solve this part, then we will complete our class today. Okay. Now page number 21. Okay, all of you please open your book, page number 21, fill in the blanks. Okay. Now we will solve this part. I will not write the statement or the question, I will write the only answer. Please you just write the correct answer in the proper blank. Number A, a monitor, a dash displays information in the form of text, video and audio. Which part displays the informations? A monitor. So write the answer in the blank portion, monitor, M-O-N-I-T-O-R. Next, number B, a keyboard has dash keys. A keyboard, a standard keyboard has 104 keys. Write the answer over here, 104. Now next, number C, a dash has 2 buttons and a scrolling wheel. Number C, a mouse has 2 buttons and a scrolling wheel. So write the answer, mouse. Next, number D, a CPU is also called the dash of a computer. A CPU is also called a brain of a computer. So write the answer, brain, B-R-A-I-N. Next, number E, a dash help us to draw pictures and play games. Which part help you to draw pictures and play games? A mouse help us to draw pictures and play games. So write the answer. Number E, mouse. A mouse helps us to draw pictures and play games. Today this much, and next class I will discuss additional components of a computer. Okay children? Thank you. Have a nice day.